Utah to look at some old junk. Got my dad here, kindling. Say hi.
Hi.
We're gonna go take a look at these old cars out here and we'll get back to you. A little bit of everybody in there. Those hood ornaments are cool. Super cool. Say hi. What's up, Millie Pants? You gonna look at some cars or what? We got some old Mercedes, an old Dodge, old Mercury. That's a good derby car right there. Look at the old Dodge. Even got an old Ford four-door. Big old Fairlane. It's old Tornado. The old front-wheel drive Tornado, huh, Dad? Those are cool looking cars.
You mean a tornado?
Huh?
You mean a tornado?
Tornado. So we got little Mercury right here. This is a pretty good little derby car. Not too bad. It's got a 429 V8. Not too shabby, not too shabby. Kindlin really wants the derby. This might be one of her first cars.
Mm-hmm.
What do you think?
Yep.
Yeah? Old two-door. These all had the 9-inch rear ends in them. And she's got a little stuff in her. Not too bad, not too bad. And we go walk over here. Another old LTD over there. Got an old Ford truck. We got a 58 Thunderbird over here. She's a little beat up. She needs a little flatline repair. How's she look inside, sweetheart? Seen better days?
Yep. Many
Check
better
out that
days.
stereo, dude. Woo! Man, oh man. It's even got the controls down there in the front for the heater and all that. Power windows. Look at those switches.
Mm-hmm.
That's way cool. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Let's go see what else there is. Got an old Ford. Let's go over here to this white one. Looks like a Caddy. Let's see what this thing is.
Wow.
Well, she might be a Oldsmobile. Yeah, she ain't got much left of her.
It's good doors.
Yeah, the doors are good.
What's this one?
This is an old Mercedes. And that's old
It's a
Studebaker.
nice ornament.
Yeah. Old Studebaker Presidente. Well, it looks pretty good, kind of cool.
Not too bad.
Not too bad. Let's see. Look
Cool
at.
teal
Go
color.
around the back. Let's see what the back looks like.
as bad.
Yeah?
Pretty decent.
President. It's a nice grill, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Let's see what motor this one's got in her. Ooh, comes with free poop. That's got a pretty nice dash. Not too bad, huh? Not too bad. Let's check out the back. You got the bumper and everything. Yeah, those are cool lights. I think that's got the same windshield as the one we need for the Edsel. These things were kind of weird. Watch that screw right there. The front ends of these things are pretty cool.
There he is, right there.
Yeah, there's your buddy.
Yeah, he patrols this area really good.
So we just got done looking at those cars. Thunderbird's pretty hammered. The old Dodge is probably the best survivor of them all. We do have some pretty good derby cars. The Thunderbird might be a derby car too. Use it for parts. What motor's that old Dodge got in it, Dad?
That's a Flathead 6.
Looked like it was all there but the air cleaner, no?
Yeah, it's probably there somewhere.
And then those 3 LTDs, those are good derby cars. Just like the one we built a long time ago. And then the Tornado. I don't know about that old Tornado. What did the Studebakers have in them, Dad? That president.
The one has a V8 in it. I'm not sure what size those are. I'd have to look it up.
And then those old Mercedes, those things are...
They're boat anchors.
Scrap metal.
Yep. Scrap metal. Take the hood ornament off.
Yeah, the grill. The grills, people like those grills.
Yeah. Yard art.
Hang it in the shop.
Yep.
That'd be a good one.
Yard art.
I don't know about that Tornado. What motors did those things have in them?
Some of them had them big 425 motors.
Oh.
But the transmissions in those things are expensive to rebuild.
Well, yeah, it's front wheel drive.
Yep.
And then that old Ford 4-door. It's got that narrow 9-inch that everybody puts in their rat rods.
Yep.
It'd make a good couch, cut the back of it off.
Yep.
The windshield, that windshield was good shape. It'll fit my
Yeah, if you had
Edsel.
the shop to store them and stuff, you could probably make some pretty good money.
We got an acre in Eagle Mountain.
Yeah. That'd make Ernestine happier, huh?
Yeah. She used to always say when I bring a car home, she'd say, "Is that the last one?"
Yeah.
And I'd say,
Today.
maybe.
Today.
Maybe.
Yep.
And I'd get rid of one and then I'd buy 2 more.
Yep. The last one today. We still got tomorrow.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That president looked, it's kind of cool though.
Oh yeah, they made some pretty neat old vehicles. They're just hard to get parts for anymore.
Yeah.
Because not many companies are reproducing any parts.
Yeah, that old tailgate make a cool tailgate bench.
Yeah. somebody was restoring an old Ford truck, that bed would be pretty good.
Was it not rotted out?
I didn't see it too bad.
It was a long bed though, wasn't it?
Yeah.